Hello. Um, I just want to make a quick video on Google Slides. I was having trouble making a background for the Google Slides that wouldn't move. I could do it for one and two slides, but I couldn't do it for the rest. But I was able to figure out, and maybe somebody out there has trouble with this too. Okay, so the thing I'm going to do first is going to be, I'm just going to change the page setup. Okay. Instead of widescreen, I'm just going to make it 8 by 11. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in I'm going to put a picture here. Okay. So different ways of doing it. One way I've been playing around with is using this clip snipping tool. Okay. There's videos to make that. So, and then you just click, drag what you want to see. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and edit and copy. You can actually save this, and I'm actually going to save it for later on because I'm going to just go ahead and drag it. So now I'm going to go ahead and Control V, and there it is. So I have it here. Now, as you can see right now, I can move it around. And if you assign this to the kids, make it interactive, they're going to actually be able to move it around. And it gets kind of confusing a little bit, and some kids might give up trying to answer the question if this keeps on moving around. So a few ways to set it up as background. One is right click and click add to theme. And then you can do that your master, which means all of them are going to have this, or just do your title slide. And that's going to be it. So now you can move it. So what I do now is like I'll put in like a text box and put a text box. Change the field color just so the kids can actually see it, because if not, they won't be able to see it. Then they just click on it and then they type their answer. Okay. Now I was able to do that, and then put another slide, and I would put in another picture. Okay, so same thing here. Let me go to the next page, and let me put a B. So I'll do the same thing. I'm going to um, just take a little part of this. So I'm going to take this part right here. Okay, and again, edit, copy, or Control C, go to the untitled one. Okay, and then Control V, and there it is. And again, you're able to move it around. Okay. So this one, what I would do, I would click, right click and add to theme, and then again, title and body. Okay. And now you can't move it anymore. Okay. Now what happened was, like, after I tried the next one, well, the next one now comes up with this, the information already on it. Okay. And I was just like, how do I do multiple slides where I have the same, where I have a different background for each one. So instead of just doing like uh, 2 pages of work, then I can add 3 of them or 4. So what I did, okay, okay. So what I did is, instead of um, putting the picture and then changing the the make it a background for the title page or the master page, what I did was I was just gonna save this. File save as, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, I like to save my stuff on my desktop just so it's easier to find. So capture B, I'm gonna go capture B, save it, okay. And now what I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna go to background, okay, choose an image, and I'm just going to drag it. So this is the picture. There it is. Okay. 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 Let's try again. Background. Choose image. See what happened. Okay, there it is. Okay, done. Okay, so now I have the background. Okay, and again, you can move this. So I would just put in the text, get another one. Okay, and so I was able to do 2, but I wasn't able to do 3. So I was like, oh, how do I figure out to do 3? So I'm going to add another slide. Okay, let me remove those parts. Okay, and let me get another picture. So I'm going to open this document. So let's go ahead and do this one. So I'm going to snipping tool. Okay, rectangular. Okay, so there, and again, I'm gonna file save as, and this would be capture 2. So there's that. Okay, so that's on my desktop. Okay, and I'm gonna say background. Okay, choose image. Okay, I'm going to drag it, and there it is, done. So now I have 3 slides with different background, and I'm sure I can keep on adding to it. So it was just something that I had trouble. I asked other people on YouTube how to do this, left it as a comment, and no had any response, but I was able to figure it out. Okay, let's see. So this is what my finished product would look like. So there's those assignments that I assign to my students, and all they have to do is on this mode, they type in their answers. Okay, so I hope you like it.